How to resolve air leaks. In this video, we'll guide you through simple steps to identify and resolve air leaks on ResMed 11 series devices, including the AirSense 11 and AirCurve 11. Checking your device. Air leaks can occur in various parts of the device. Let's begin by inspecting 3 key areas. First, check your outlet connector. Make sure the outlet connector is correctly aligned and inserted correctly into the socket. Next, check the tubing connection. Ensure that the tubing is firmly connected to both the device and the mask. Next, if you're using a side cover, check that it has been inserted correctly. It should click in place. If you're using a humidifier tub, remove the humidifier tub and check it for damage. Tips for inserting the humidifier tub. Place the device on a stable, level surface. Hold the humidifier tub flat, ensuring it remains level with the device and not tilted upwards throughout the insertion process. Gently slide the humidifier tub into the device until it is securely in place and pushed in as far as it can go. After ensuring everything is correctly positioned, power on the device. Listen for a hissing or whistling sound of air leaking from around the humidifier tub. Gently feel around the tubing and humidifier tub to detect any air leak. If you detect an air leak around the humidifier tub, pull it out approximately an inch or 2.5 centimeters, and then reinsert until it is securely in place. If the issue persists after following these steps, please reach out to ResMed customer support or your healthcare provider for further assistance.
For even more help, download our MyAir app today.